Chapter 5 of 16. A well-designed schema can save the long-term maintenance cost of enterprise solutions. Pradeep K. Suri. A well-designed schema can save the long-term maintenance cost of enterprise solutions. Yes, a well-designed schema can save the long-term maintenance cost of enterprise solutions with documents. Here are a few reasons why. Consistency and standardization. A well-designed schema can promote consistency and standardization across different documents, making it easier to maintain and manage them over time. This can help to avoid errors and inconsistencies, reducing the need for costly maintenance and updates. Flexibility and scalability. A well-designed schema can accommodate growth and change in the document system, making it easier to add new documents or modify existing ones as business needs evolve. This can help to extend the life of the document system and reduce the need for frequent updates or redesigns. Efficiency. A well-designed schema can improve the efficiency of document management processes, reducing the time and effort needed for tasks such as searching, sorting, and categorizing documents. This can save time and resources in the long term, reducing the overall maintenance cost of the system. Interoperability. A well-designed schema can promote interoperability with other systems and applications, making it easier to integrate the document system with other enterprise solutions. This can reduce the need for costly customizations or workarounds, further reducing maintenance costs. Reusability. A well-designed schema can be used across multiple document systems or applications, reducing the need for developers to create new schemas from scratch. This can save time and effort in development and maintenance, while also promoting consistency and standardization across different systems. Overall, a well-designed schema can help to minimize long-term maintenance costs for enterprise solutions with documents, while also improving efficiency, flexibility, and interoperability. By investing time and resources in schema design upfront, organizations can save costs over the long term and deliver a better document management solution to users. Thank you.